In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Spotify to Opera GX Sidebar. Adding Spotify to the Opera GX Sidebar is a convenient way to keep your music just one click away while you browse the web. Instead of switching between browser tabs, you can access Spotify directly from the sidebar whenever you want to play music, change playlists, or control playback. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of enabling the required feature and creating a custom Spotify panel in Opera GX. To get started, open Opera GX on your computer. Once the browser has finished loading, click on the address bar at the top of the window. In the address bar, type chrome://flags and press Enter. This will open the browser's experimental features page, where you can enable certain features that aren't turned on by default. After the page opens, you'll see a search box near the top. Click inside the search box and type the word Custom. This will filter the available options and display the feature you're looking for. Find the option labeled Custom User Sites for Browser Sidebar. Next to it, you'll see a menu that is currently set to default. Click on the default menu and change it to Enabled. This tells Opera GX to activate support for custom website panels in the sidebar. As soon as you make the change, a relaunch button will appear near the bottom of the page. Click Relaunch to restart the browser and apply the new setting. The browser will automatically close and reopen with the feature enabled. Once Opera GX has restarted, look toward the bottom of the sidebar on the left-hand side of the browser. You'll see a button with 3 dots. Click this button to open the sidebar customization menu. Scroll through the available options until you find Custom Site Panels. Click Add Custom Site Panel to create a new sidebar panel. When prompted, enter spotify.com as the website address. After entering the address, click Create. Opera GX will then add Spotify as a custom panel in the sidebar. You'll now see the Spotify icon appear in the sidebar. Simply click it whenever you want to open Spotify without leaving your current web page. This makes it much easier to manage your music while browsing, studying, or working, all within the same browser window. And that's all there is to adding Spotify to the Opera GX sidebar. Once you've completed these steps, you'll have quick and convenient access to Spotify directly from your browser whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,